Hello and welcome to today's edition of The Exchange, brought to you by the New York Stock Exchange. I'm live on the floor with Savina Rizova. She is co-CIO and Global Head of Research at Dimensional. Thank you for stopping by.
It's a pleasure.
So we understand you've launched this new UMA service for your advisors. Could you tell us a little bit about it and what the benefits are?
Absolutely. These days, advisors want to both scale and customize. They can customize with SMAs. They can scale with managed models. A UMA gives them the opportunity to both.
So one of the things that's interesting is there's a lot of conversation in our world about ETFs, direct indexing, UMAs, SMAs. How do we sort of distinguish between all of that?
Absolutely. SMAs are typically portfolios of individual securities, stocks or bonds that you hold in one account. Direct indexing is a subset of SMA, which just starts with the index, and then you customize off of that. Our SMAs do not start with an index, they start with a dimensional defined starting strategy, but SMAs generally are used for customizing for specific client needs, tax needs, or ESG preferences. Managed models are models typically of ETFs or mutual funds that allow advisors to scale by assigning many different clients with similar needs to the same custom model they developed. On our UMA platform now, they can do that. They can assign multiple clients to the same asset allocation they put in on the platform, and this allows them to have like a very consistent investment experience offered to different clients.
Are there key benefits? How does this help a dimensional advisor?
Oh, it helps them to gain operational efficiency because they can actually outsource the day-to-day asset allocation, taxes, and a cash flow management to Dimensional. And they can also have Dimensional daily do coordinated trading across the ETFs and the individual securities in a client account. This allows advisors to have more time to spend with clients and prospect clients on wealth planning, financial planning. Yeah.
So you mentioned the idea of tax efficiency.
Absolutely.
I know Dimensional, you spend a lot of time in that
Yes.
area. Are there ways that you feel like Dimensional maybe differentiates yourself when it comes to tax efficiency compared to those across the industry?
Absolutely. Both in the SMA and the broader UMA structure, we offer multifaceted integrated tax management. That tax management that goes beyond tax loss harvesting. A lot of our competitors, when it comes to SMAs, a distinction feature of them versus mutual funds and ETFs is that in SMAs you can pass through capital losses, and that's the main thing they emphasize. At Dimensional, we go beyond tax loss harvesting. You can do a lot more to improve after-tax returns for clients.
For advisors that want to learn more about the UMA platform, they want to learn more about Dimensional, where do they go?
Our website, we would have a landing page for the UMA offering.
Okay, so you can go to dimensional.com. Now, as a reminder, if you caught this episode live, you're looking for additional thought leadership, you want to read all about Dimensional's lineup of ETFs with another thought lens on it, you can do it all at our website, etfcentral.com. Go there 24 hours a day. Into that screener, type in Dimensional. You will see their entire lineup of US listed ETFs. And you can also watch our latest webinar on multi-share class, which Dimensional filed for as well. All brought to you by the New York Stock Exchange, the home of ETFs.